In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily message yourself on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then go to chats, and among all of your conversations you should find a conversation which name contains of your WhatsApp username and then you in the brackets. So if you can't find it here, you can use search. Just tap where it says search and then search for you in that way, and then you can get into the conversation with yourself. All the messages in that conversation visible just for you, and that's where you can save any important information, any picture, any text content, maybe some URLs or voice memos or whatever, and that's how it's done actually. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.